Hey guys, I want to have a really quick conversation about spark plug wires and when you know they're actually bad. Now, these ones are actually micro cracked. You can really see it in the dark when the car is running and this is laying against the engine block. But I want to show you how to actually test it with a multimeter. So the easiest way to do this is just put them side by side and looking down in there. You can kind of see in there how rusty that actually is. Now, what that's kind of showing you is we're going to take our multimeter, put it on resistance ohms, take our probes, doesn't matter what way you do this, but we're going to place our probe in one end, in the other end, and you can see there's no signal. But if I kind of scrape that around, I can get signal. So what that's telling me is it's really hard to get signal with this wire. It's important to note too that most OEM and cheaper spark plug wires actually have a higher resistance in them, and that does cut down on radio frequency interference, things like that. But if you're going after go fast, I don't care about that. So we're going to take our new spark plug wire. I know this is way shorter, so the resistance would be different anyway, but we're going to take the end that would go on the distributor. We're going to take the end that would go onto the coil in nice consistent readings. Now, how I actually gain power through these wires is the less resistance, the easier the spark, the harder the spark can be. That's why aftermarket wires and having your wires cut to the right length actually matters. Yep, you can run them full length on there and you'll work, but you actually might be giving up power and giving up efficiency when you do that. So make sure you cut them to the right length and they are right for your application. But if this helped you guys out, please comment down below. I want to know what other tricks you guys have for checking spark plug wires or anything ignition related. If you guys like what you see, please take the time to subscribe, hit the like button, and let me know you guys actually like these videos. As always, have a good one, and I will see you on the road.